If you've ever needed to export and edit out of Final Cut Pro that you know is going to take a long time, maybe because it has a ton of effects or because it's just a really long video, then your days of waiting around at your computer are over. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send notifications directly to your phone whenever Final Cut Pro completes an export, allowing you to leave your desk, run some errands, make some coffee, or do whatever it is that you would rather be doing instead of watching the progress bar. It doesn't take long to set up these Final Cut Pro export notifications on your phone, but you will need to install CommandPost to get this to work. Now, if you don't know what CommandPost is, it's a totally free app that you can install and run alongside Final Cut Pro that gives you some additional features like batch exporting, a virtual touch bar, a scrolling timeline, and a bunch of other really useful things. If you want to learn more about CommandPost, I'll leave a link to the video I did on it down below. With CommandPost installed, you can head over to the CommandPost menu and go to Preferences. Under the Notifications tab, you have a few options, and I personally like to use the If This Then That notifications. If you're not familiar with If This Then That, it's a free web service that allows different apps to communicate together. It works using a simple if statement. If this event happens, then this is what I want you to do. In this case, if Final Cut Pro finishes exporting a video, then send me a push notification to my phone. So you'll need to create a free If This Then That account and then install the app on your phone. Make sure you enable notifications on your phone as well. Let's call the webhook name export and then click on the Get Webhook API Key button, which will take you to the If This Then That website where you will see this key over here. Copy that entire URL and paste it into the Webhook API key box in the CommandPost preferences. What this does is allow Final Cut Pro to trigger an action when it finishes exporting a file. Let's head back over to If This Then That, and here you are going to create an applet. I'll click Add over here and search for webhooks. I'll add that, select Receive a Web Request, and under event name, it needs to be the exact same name as the event name that you created in the CommandPost preferences. I called my event export, so I'll add export here and click add trigger. Next, I need to set up the notification. So I'll click on add under then that, and I'll search for notifications. I want to send a simple notification, so I'll just select the first option. Here you can customize the message that you'll see. So I'll change this to FCPX has completed the export on with a space at the end, and then I'll add an ingredient and I'll add occurred at. This will give me the date and time that the export finished. I'll hit create, continue, and finally finish. Let's head back over to CommandPost, and here I can send a test notification. It will probably take a few seconds, but when I get pinged, I'll get a notification that looks like this. Let's actually export something quickly, like these few clips on the timeline. We can see the progress of the export if I use the shortcut Command 9 to open up the background tasks window. And when it's done, we just wait a few seconds and there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.